Hello everyone. Today we are gonna present our chemistry project presentation. We hope you will enjoy it. Our project's name is a magnetic slime robot, and our team's names Outliers. We are me, Günay Əhmədzadə, Şəfiqə Ələkbərli, Hüseynəli Sadıqov, and Ümid Babazadə. As you see, this is a table that presents our team contributions. I made videos for our bonus points and helped to create our device. Şəfiqə made our PowerPoint presentation and helped us to create our device. Hüseynəli found our equipment which were needed to our project and assisted us to create our device as well. However, due to unexpected reasons, Ümit couldn't join us. As I mentioned at the beginning, we tried to create a magnetic slime robot. Şəfiqə will give us more information what it is exactly. However, I want to speak about our device. We used clear glue and sodium tetraborate and color. It's clear that currently there is no robot inside of the slime. Therefore, we utilized a toy car to move our slime. Now my group mate will give more information about our project, and at the end we will show how it works.
Hello, my name is Hüseyin Ali. Today I will talk about the reaction that we are creating our slime. In this experiment we use PVA type glue, sodium tetraborate which is borax, and violet colored powder. In this experiment a polymer which is polyvinyl alcohol chemically reacts with borax to form a cross-linked polymer network. Individual polymer chains are formed by covalent bonds which are strong. In making slime, the individual polymer chains are bound together by weak hydrogen bonds. The resulting polymer network is composed of strands of polyvinyl alcohol held together side by side by the borate molecules. This cross-linking is weak because of the ease with which the slime flows and pulls apart. However, even though this cross-linking is weak, it does alter the properties of the resulting polymer. The slime mixture is non-toxic, but the borax and PVA type glue can be irritating to the eyes, so use safety glasses and wash your hands at the end of the experiment. The slime may stain clothing and carpeting, so care should be exercised. The slime should be discarded in the trash and not down the drain, as it may clog to the drain pipe. It tends to dry out when it's left exposed to the air, so store it in a sealed plastic bag. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to talk about the advantages of the magnetic slime. First, the device consists of the polymer called polyvinyl alcohol, borax commonly used in cloning products, and mixture of the nodium magnetic particles. It's like mixing water and starch at home. The device that called magnetic slime robot is controlled by magnets. There are currently no robotics inside of the slime. Magnetic particles are placed in a device that allow it to be controlled remotely so that it can rotate around itself or from O and C shapes. The device behaves like a solid when you tap it too fast. It's like a liquid when you touch it lightly and slowly. It can be particularly useful in the process such as reducing damage to digestive system from an accidentally swallowed battery. It's stated that it's possible that the robot could be used to navigate narrow passage in the human body and even play a role in removing accidentally swallowed objects from the body. Thanks to silicone command surrounding the robot, it was ensured that the slime did not have toxic effects for the human body. Additionally, the researchers note that magnetic adhesive can be made into a number of different shapes. It means that the robot could be used more important medical operation. These smart mechanisms, which can correct itself and deform itself to great extent so that it can move forward in narrow areas, is designed to help the treatment process by going to hard to reach spots in our body. By considering this possibility, scientists will be able to use the robot for encapsulation in the future. In other words, these little robots will be able to act as a shield against harmful substances such as foreign substance and toxic wastes inside our bodies. On the other hand, the magnetic particle inside the robot itself contains toxic substance that also harmful to our body. That's why scientists made the robot harmful by using silica, a coating material made from sand. Magnetic slime is capable of the sliding through the narrow space, also ensuring small objects, and has self-healing properties. It also a good electrical conductor and can be used to interconnect electrodes. Yes. Also, at the end of our presentation,
hello, Professor. I am Imid, and I will try to wrap up our project in a couple of minutes. And before I start, I want to say that due to unexpected occurrences, I had to visit my hometown several times in the last week, and therefore I could not help my teammates as much as I wish I would be able to. And to be honest, at the time of this recording, I'm still in Lankaran, and I want to thank each and every one of my teammates for covering up for me at these times. So returning to the project, we started thinking about and sorting project ideas like 2.5 weeks ago, and we discussed several ideas. However, decided on the magnetic slime idea that we later evaluated on the idea and made it more relatable to both chemistry and engineering with the magnetic slime robot. So first, to clarify, the magnetic slime robot is not actually a robot. It's solely controlled by the magnet particles, and it's made up by glue, borax, and coloring powder, and magnets, obviously. So it is firstly developed by a Chinese professor, and some characteristics of it are as follows. It is non-Newtonian fluid, and it behaves like both liquid and solid depending on the force that you apply to it. It's non-toxic, but it can be eye irritating, so be sure to wash your hands after upon any contact with the slime before you touch your eyes. So its most famous use case is in the field of medication, as it is effective in traveling narrow tunnels. So for example, if a child swallows a toy piece, a metallic toy piece, the robot can be deployed in the body to reach and extract that piece. However, in our project, it's mostly used for moving small objects. So that's pretty much about the project. Additional notes are that the magnetic slime robot is also advertised as to be able to conduct electricity, so electricians suggest that the robotic slime is capable of circuit switching and repair. And also we did not use iron powder in our project because we could not find it anywhere, but it's worth to note that with the iron powder, the magnetic force experienced by the objects that contact the slime will be significantly more powerful, therefore allowing the magnetic slime robot to relocate heavier objects. So I am Imid from group Outliers, and this is the summary of our project. Thanks for listening, and thanks for the amazing semester with full of interesting chemistry.